Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic specification of jack well. So question may arise what is jack well? The jack well are the usually associated with high head vertical turbine pump and submersible pumps or mixed flow pump. They are usually preferred in the major lift irrigation schemes. A jack well is constructed on high ground. It is to be located as close to the river as possible, although it would be an advantage to locate it on high ground above the highest flood level. Sometimes it may not be possible without substantially increasing the length of the intake pipe. Consequently, considering the cost of system, it may be economical to locate the jack well near the water body during the low flow stage. Even if a good portion of its height remain above ground level, access should be provided by a rigid ladder. Jack well should be located on hard strata with a bearing capacity of 4.5 kg per centimeter square or more. If such a strata is not available, an RCC raft may be provided at the bottom. Even when the jack well is dug through rocky strata, it may be desirable to smoothen the side or provide a masonry lining. This will facilitate access to the bottom of the well for maintenance and desilting operation. And for installing turbine pump, the bottom of the well should be about 3 meter below the lowest water level in the well in order to accommodate the pump ball assembly, suction pipe and strainer, as well as provide for a silt pocket. So the different specifications are maintained in the design of jack well. So, which are they? In number 1, the minimum clearance between the base plate on which the pump are installed and the wall of the jack well is 50 centimeter. Then the top of the jack well is kept 1 meter above the high flood level in the river or 0.3 meter above the ground level, whichever is more. The next point, the minimum submergence of the pump ball assembly below the low water level in the jack well is 2 meter in case of vertical turbine and submersible pumps and 1.5 meter in case of centrifugal pumps. The minimum clearance between the bottom of the pump and the floor of the jack well is 1.5 meter, and last one is the bottom of the jack well should be at least 50 centimeter below the ground, below the bottom of the intake pipe. So these are the different specifications which are maintained during design of the jack well. As well as the internal diameter of the jack well, as well as the internal diameter of the jack well depends on the number of pumps to be installed and clearance between the pump and from the well wall, as well as bottom of the pump and that of the jack well. The space between the adjacent pump set will depend on the size of the base plate for pump of different capacities, hydraulic efficiencies, consideration for inflow of the water from intake pipe to the jack well and the working space required for the installation, operation and maintenance of the pumps. The other major specification are as number 1, the staining of sump well shall be of RR masonry or brick masonry laid on cement mortar with ratio of 1:5, adopting usual design procedures. The maximum earth pressure on staining is when the well is dry. The minimum thickness of staining is 60 centimeter. Then the floor level of the pump house is kept greater than 30 centimeter above the ground level or 1 meter above the high flood level in the river or stream, whichever is high. Then number 3, the floor slab of jack well is designed to withstand the possible load due to the weight of the pump and various accessories as well as the live load during various stage of installation and operations. An impact factor of 10% is usually added to the above values, although the floor can be of RCC slab with suitable opening for lowering the pump assembly. It is desirable to construct it with wooden plank fixed with nuts and bolts on mild steel girders. Then the roof slab of pump house is kept at 5 meter. It is designed to withstand a live load of 200 kg per meter square and the dead load which it supports, including its own weight. They are usually 75 centimeter thick RCC slab in cement concrete with ratio of 1:2:4. The height of the jack well is fixed to facilitate easy handling of one column pipe of 3 meter length at a time. Bed blocks are provided for the bearing of girders carrying the pump and gantry system to ensure safe working load on the wall of the jack well. An impact factor of 20% is usually added to the total computed load. Bed blocks are constructed by cement concrete with ratio of 1:3 as 6 with nominal reinforcement. Lintel over the doors and windows on the circular portion of the pump house are designed to withstand the torsional effect due to their location in the circular areas. They are designed for load imparted by an equilateral triangle of the masonry. They are constructed of RCC with ratio of 1:4. One door and two windows are usually provided in case of the jack well. Doors are usually of size 1.2 meter by 2.1 meter. One window is provided for the jack well and another for the wall room. The windows are usually 1.2 meter wide and 1.2 meter high. Ventilators of size 1.5 centimeter wide and 60 centimeter high are provided above the door and each of the windows. The next point is that the minimum depth of foundation of the wall of the wall room is 90 centimeter in case of black soil and the summer crack depth in case of all types of soil, whichever is more. The thickness of foundation concrete shall be a minimum of 22.5 centimeter with ratio of 1:4:8. If rock is available at shallow depth, the depth of foundation may be limited to the rock level. The maximum load of foundations in made up soil may not exceed 5 tons per meter square. Then number 9, suitable bracing are provided for the girders supporting the pumping set to minimize vibrations. In case of centrifugal pumps, each pump set should have a foundation block constructed in 1:3:6 cement concrete to protect against vibration effect. The foundation block is isolated from the floor by the layer of bitumen. And last is the when the column pipe length of the pump exceeds 10 meter, suitable brackets are provided on RS joints at the mid height of the column pipe. So, these are the different specifications which are taken under the consideration while designing of the jack wells. Hope you understand all the content we are describe in this video. Thank you.